Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, Jones Clan on the road, and we're on our pre-Christmas trip at the moment. Today's the Wednesday the 13th of December, and we left home on the 10th of December and we're going home tomorrow.
So, that was a bit of a fiasco, wasn't it?
Yeah, we booked this site at the end of November last year.
5th of November 2022, wasn't it?
Yeah, we're for Chatsworth. We thought we'd come and see the Christmas lights and do the house and everything. So yeah, we booked it as soon as we could book it, we booked it. And then we were just ready to leave home, weren't we, on Sunday? And you got a phone call.
Yeah, I just took the Nemesis Ultra wheel lock off. I was just putting it in the garage and the phone went, and I looked at it and I thought, oh, cold call as it's got to be, it's on a Sunday. Anyway, I answered it.
Luckily.
And it was the warden at Chatsworth, and she said, oh, we're in a high flood alert situation. And I thought, oh God, is this a cold, is this somebody winding me up, I thought. But no, she said when we were, and I thought, oh. So she said, you can't come today. So then it was a mass rush round to either get everything back out the motorhome, or
which I wasn't doing.
which she wasn't doing.
We'd all packed up, I wasn't unpacking
So
it.
we looked near like Castleton, and as we like Poolsbrook, and it was only 11 miles away, we booked Poolsbrook. Yeah,
For one night,
it's a lovely site. We booked it for one night. Had a nice peaceful-ish, because the old scramblers were around, weren't they, with their bikes until about 8 o'clock, but after that it was quite as a quiet thing. So she said she'd phone us, and I had nothing by 12 o'clock, so
the next day.
Off we went, didn't we?
Yep, via Morrison's.
Via Morrison's in
Stavely,
and that was a bit chocker.
Yeah, it was. But we had some time to kill, didn't we? Although we left
Yeah.
at 12 and we couldn't get on till 1, it was far too long.
Yeah.
Anyway.
Anyway, that's that. So we got here, set up, had a nice relaxing afternoon and evening, and then the next day we got everything booked. Julie wanted to go and look at the house, didn't you?
Yeah, we got the tickets, hadn't we?
We got all the tickets, and then in the evening we were going to come over, have a bit in the meal in the restaurant, weren't we? And then
well, what we were doing was, because you can't take the dog in the house, I was going to the house in the afternoon, and then you were going to, I had a ticket for the house, and then you were going to come up with Toby.
Yeah.
We was going to have something to eat and drink, weren't we?
Yeah.
And then we'd got tickets for the gardens and the light trail for later on, so we worked it all out and timed it down to a T, didn't we, really?
Yeah.
And then everything.
But Mr. T turned up, didn't he?
It didn't work out.
Mr. Trip.
So,
and it's not thingy trip either.
So what happened was I went off, didn't I, to the house, and blooming fell over, tripped over, fell. really hurt myself. I fell face down in a muddy puddle, and I was soaked. So I managed to get up. And I'd hurt my arm a bit, but anyway, I was near the house, so I thought I'll just go to the toilets and wipe myself down. as I was covered in mud, and I'd go around the house and then I'd phone you up and tell you to bring some paracetamol and brufen with you. So anyway, the toilets didn't have any paper in, so they were all the hand dryers. Anyway, I went to the house entrance and the lady said, "Oh, was I all right?" And got somebody to check me over because my arm was really, really sore. So they got the first responder to come and she checked me all out. Said I was okay, just got muscle injury there. And they gave me loads of paper. They were ever so good actually. Gave me loads of paper roll and what have you to dry myself off. So off I went into the house.
Dripping.
But yeah, all muddy. But as I was going round, I didn't feel too good really.
Well,
Couldn't hardly take any pictures. We've got a few
I'll
pictures.
just get up and I'll show you.
So I couldn't. Oops.
Oh, just have to move the little Christmas tree a little bit.
So I took a few pictures, but I couldn't lift my arm up to take any pictures, could I?
This is a coat. It has dried out a bit, but you can see all the mud and
Down the right side.
all that. So
And my jeans were worse for wear.
jeans.
So yeah, I went around the house, but I could hardly take any photos because I couldn't lift my arm up or anything, and then I was cold and didn't feel too good actually. So there was no signal in there. Anyway, as soon as I could, I phoned you, didn't I? And you came and fetched me with a handful of paracetamol and Nurofen.
So
and
it was don't panic.
Really didn't feel like I could walk round the gardens, and I didn't want to come back in the dark because I'd fallen over. So we didn't do the light trail or the garden, did we? And I just had to come back and just lay down and look after myself. But my arm's a bit better this morning. I can move it a bit more, but it's still a bit sore, isn't it? It just fell right on my muscle. Got no bruising or anything, but so we'll see how it goes. We're going home tomorrow. If it's better than it was yesterday, but if it's no better, then I'll have to go to the doctor's. But I can't lift my arm up over my head very. Mind you, I couldn't do that yesterday. Anyway, so that was yesterday, wasn't it?
That was yesterday, scuppered.
Yeah.
So what we were going to do for the vlog, obviously,
Yeah.
isn't as much as what we thought.
Yeah.
So all in all, it's not been a disaster, but
Yeah.
we trotted off today.
This afternoon, didn't we? We went up to the
We
house.
went up to the house.
Up to the stable courtyard or whatever it is.
Coach.
Yeah.
Bit.
Where the restaurants and the shops
Yeah.
are. And we had a little look round there.
So we had a look round the shop. A good look and all. I thought, this is going to hit my bank balance, this. But no, the only thing she liked was a long black quilted coat. And then when she saw the price of it, she said, "Oh no, not paying that, just because it's got Barber on it." It was like a long
Gilet.
yeah, and it was
Anyway.
£209, wasn't it, or something?
It was over 200 quid anyway.
So we thought, So, but Toby got a good walk.
Yeah.
Didn't you, Tobes?
A good muddy walk. He was filthy when we came
Oh,
back,
yeah,
wasn't
we had to go and wash his coatie
he? Yeah.
in the toilet.
Yeah.
So,
But
but yeah, we're enjoying ourselves. So
yeah, we'll go home tomorrow.
it's
It's been a nice little break anyway, hasn't it? Pre-Christmas break.
yeah.
It's just a shame I couldn't have stayed out and done that light trail yesterday.
So yeah, we're
But
enjoying it. So
best laid plans all that time in planning.
Yeah,
Anyway,
never mind.
so that's it for us now, isn't it, for a while?
So we're sort of just going to be Mr. and Mrs. Miserable over Christmas.
Okay. Speak for yourself.
Well, as in,
Speak for yourself.
all family are off doing their own thing, so I think we're just going to go and see the grandchildren on Christmas morning and then for an hour or so and then come back, have some good Christmas scran and eat lots of chocolates and things like that, and you know what most people do at Christmas, and then until February for the NEC show. That's us really. It's about it, isn't it? There's not much going on unless we decide to slot in a quick adventure, but you're going off with your mates, aren't you? So
the middle week, third week in January.
Yeah.
But yeah, so I don't know whether.
So I think what we will be doing is doing some more planning and thingy for our April-May tour of Holland, Northern Germany and Poland. So
yeah, we'll do some planning, won't we, in January? Decide where we're
planning
going
and
for
booking,
the year.
Yeah.
For the year, so.
Yeah. So that's what we're sort of looking at is in April. Is getting the habitation service done sort of the end of March, and then trying to get away by the, is it the 5th?
10th, I think we said.
10th of April.
Remember. We've got it all planned, and we
Yeah.
will. Depends what ferries and everything are like.
Yeah. So all our followers, we're going to wish you a Merry Christmas.
Yeah.
And a Happy New Year.
Yeah, and all the best for 2024.
And no doubt Toby will sing his Christmas song to you at some stage. We'll put a link into the description. Probably be about there.
Oh, hello, boy. You come to life.
Yeah. You come to see everyone, boy?
No.
Oh, yeah? No? He's just over down by the side of Julie there. On his blankie.
He's had a long walk, hasn't he?
Yeah, he's a bit traumatised today. So, yeah, so if you wouldn't mind giving us a thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe to the channel, it helps us in a big way, and hit the notification bell. It'd help us greatly, especially starting off in our a new year. So all it needs to say is TTFN. See you soon. everyone, welcome back. Just a little add-on to the vlog. It's now Friday it's the 20th Wednesday of December, and the damage was a little bit worse after she did the old tripping session, and she's actually broken the top of the humerus, so she's out of action for 7 weeks. Arm in a sling. I'll just show you a little bit, but yeah, let them out on their own, and they go for a trip. Yeah, right. So I just thought I'd let you know. So we'll see you after Christmas, and give you some news of some giveaways for the NEC in February, for the Tuesday and the Friday. Okay, have a good Christmas, everyone. Bye bye. So there's the invalid. What have you done?
Right, Wesley. There. Put my arm in a sling.
And what have you done?
Broken the top of my arm.
We got to go to the fracture clinic on Friday.
There, it's in this sling. Try, it's alright.
It's alright, we got our grandson, and he's been a bit, if she moves, he's been a bit clingy, so.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, so it's in a sling. And I'm sleep deprived. I'm not looking my best, am I?
There.
Oh. He keeps wanting to grab my hand.